everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some summer outfits that are actually easy to style, especially for vacation. But before we begin, if you're into try-ons, vacation outfit, dresses, activewear and all that, make sure to subscribe because that's basically what I post here. Okay, this feels like very put together. I don't know what it is about the fabric of these shirts, but it makes it look more expensive. They're kind of structured so they hold the shape really nicely, which I like because it doesn't look too casual. I also really like the details of the flowers. They have some golden threads in it. I paired it with this top, but I feel like you can also wear the button-down shirt tucked in, or any other bodysuit or shirt that you can tuck in, as long as it kind of has the color of the shirt. I really feel like the pieces like this are must for the summer because they're easy to style and you don't have to think too hard. I feel like these shirts can go for any occasion. Here's some other ways how you can style this shirt. And the easiest style for this shirt is just to pair them with a crop top. I would go with something off-white or beige, just because of the color of this shirt. But this will give you like a day summer look vibe. As far as the shoes, you can always pair them with sneakers, flat sandals if you want a day look. If you want to dress it up, just change the top and wear some heels. Here's the second shirts that I wanted to show you. This is not just your classic denim shirts. Just because of the details of the shirts, they make it more interesting and instantly put together no matter what top you would wear. They still feel like structured denim shirts, but all the detail flowers in here makes it more feminine, which is very cute. These details breaks it down from simple jean shirts to a more instantly put together look. Shirts come as a two-piece. They also have a jacket. I did not get the jacket. I will link it down below just for you to check it out. I got these shirts in medium size, which gives you like the oversized look. So the best way to balance it out is to wear some tight top or a bodysuit or a crop top, but you can always get them in a smaller size and see how you feel. Okay, I think this is very easy summer outfit. I feel like this is something that you can just throw on and it just instantly works. The shirts are super cute. They have some pink and purple in it. Loving the pockets, and I love the length of these shirts. Super feminine, very cute, love it. Okay, wait, these are actually so much fun. I don't usually wear sequin during the day, but I kind of love it. These feel very vacation, like a night out, dinner, club night. You can wear them with purple, with orange or pink, or something off-white if you want to bring the colors down. I also love the length of this. And because of the sequin, I feel like you can keep them all year long and wear them during the holidays. Alright, this shirt has been my go-to for a while now. I've been taking them to so many vacations. They literally go with everything. They are pretty lightweight. They're not too tight and not too loose. They don't have any pocket, which is fine because of the way they look, like a little bubble skirt, which I love bubble skirts. I always reach out for the shirts whenever I want to feel comfortable, yet just a little bit more elevated. This is just like an everyday look with no efforts whatsoever. This pretty much concludes what I wanted to show you today. I hope you've seen something that you like, and if you like this kind of try-on videos, make sure to watch more videos like this from me, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!